Hello there, thanks for watching this short video. My name's David Walker. I'm a professional artist based in North Wales. I've done this video just to publicise the fact that I've just upgraded my three gardens tutorial, and this is a sped up version showing the first one, which is, I call it the quintessential country garden, and it takes about an hour to do this particular picture. And then in the other parts, you'll see at the end of this video the photographs. I do the Laburnum Arch over at Bodnant in North Wales, and then a Remembrance poppy field that I got inspiration close by to where I live in Pensarn. So you can see I just use this big brush, the Hake brush, which is my favourite brush, and a couple of little ones to add a little bit of detail. Just 6 or 7 colours that you can see in the palette there. And it's just a free and easy way of painting and relaxing. Now, it's a course that I've done on Udemy that I'm upgrading. I've upgraded 2 of the 3 gardens. And if you sign up, you get the course for life, so you can do it as often as you want. You can use it as reference, go back and have a look at it. And if you've got any problems, this is a good bit. If you've got any problems, you can actually ask me in the Q&A section, and I'll get back to you as soon as I see it. We use a hairdryer as well. Uh, there's the finished picture. Look at the textures. And then the other, that's the finished painting when it's totally dry. And that's the Laburnum Arch at Bodnant Gardens. That's a lovely piece. And then the Remembrance poppy field. Okay, see you in the first lesson.